welcome back to my channel. My name is Anmol and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So I know I'm inactive from last 2 months on my YouTube because I was more concentrating on my Instagram. Now I just realized that I should be active on my YouTube too. As you know, Navratri is going on and yesterday was the first day of Navratri. So happy Navratri to all first of all. So I just hope you all love this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I just want to secure my hair because I don't want any disturbance in between my makeup. So I'm done with securing my hair, and as in Navratri we have to go for the small events or celebrations, so we have to do very subtle makeup because we don't want that humidity ruins our makeup and we just look like a ghost. But with that too, we have to look more groomed and more attractive. First of all, I just want that I should complete my eyes first. For concealing my eyes, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape as it gives more coverage. As we are doing subtle makeup, so we need to take very less quantity of the product. And using this beauty blender to blend my concealer on the eyelids, as we have to work with this concealer very fastly because it just dries up quickly. And for my transition shade, I'm taking this beautiful peachy shade. Just ignore the halat of all the makeup palette. So we directly have to apply on our crease. Blend the all eyeshadow very well because we don't want any line between the shadows. And for my transition shade, I'm using this pink color. Oh, I forgot to tell the name of this palette, and this is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, full of pinks and little bit glitters. The person who just love pink will definitely love this palette. For my outer corner, I'm using this dark maroonish color. So just applying on my outer corners because I just want that there should be little bit depth to my eyes. So here is one tip that you should know before doing your outer corner. It is that when you are applying the dark shade, so never go above the crease line. Like, don't overboard it, just apply below the crease line because we just want a little bit smoke effect, or we have to give little bit depth to our eyes. So always remember this. Some people apply till here, that doesn't look good. When I applied this and this shade, the line has been created in between, so we have to diffuse that too. As I told you, the line will be created and it is created. Now it is time to diffuse. So take these type of brushes which is more tapered, you can see this, and it can easily go to your crease. So gently diffuse this line, don't take this color, take here. As we are done with the transition shade and the outer corners, now it is time to do this part. For my leftover eye, I am using this shade, like it is the matte shade. I'm gonna apply on my leftover eye, as it will just create the gradient effect. As I'm done with my eyeshadows, and if you want you can add the glitter definitely, but I want some matte look. I will not apply any glitter on my eyes. So for giving more dimensions, I'm using eyeliner, and this is the Record Picture Perfect eyeliner. So come more closer to see the eyeliner. I think this is perfect. While applying, I can't explain the process because I need the concentration too. So what I basically did, I just draw little strokes just near to my lashes. After my basic liner, I pulled wing from this part and just joined it. Basically you should see that there should be a straight line, and yeah. And after that I filled the gaps and your wing is ready. And here is the game changer mascara. Mascara just adds volume to your lashes. Lashes more open. So I'm using this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So the point is here that if you want to apply the lashes, then also you have to apply this mascara, because we want that there shouldn't be any fake effect of mascara in the false lashes. So always try to apply mascara before that. Apply very good coat of mascara. See the difference that mascara brings. We are done with our basic eye. I will apply lashes, fill my waterline, and more to go to my eyes. So let's jump into the face. For my moisturizer, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Cream. Because the foundation and the concealer and the more base dries up your face, so always moisturize your skin. For hydration of my lips, I'm using Ganesh Lip Sleeping Mask. Because of the corona shit and the mask we have to wear, my lips are fully ruined. So hydration of the lips is as important as the hydration of the face. To hide my all imperfections, I'm using this Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm in the shade Medium Deep. I just want the shade that matches my skin tone. It is this shade here. Taking on my finger, applying on my problematic area, blending it with my finger only. If you have very light dark circles or very less problematic area, then you can definitely go with the shade that matches your skin, because we already have to layer up so many things. If काम करता है थोड़े से apply थोड़ा. My under eyes are more problematic. My around the mouth, this area is like, oh my god. जब जितनी लेस लेयरिंग करोगे आपका बेस उतना ही फ्लॉलेस आएगा. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू यूज लेस प्रोडक्ट बट विद द राइट टेक्निक. Here is the next step, that is making our face more even, that is using the foundation. So if you want any beginner guide, then my video will be in the description box. You can go and check that out. For my foundation, I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. मैंने pump खराब कर लिया, so I have to take from here. I'm using this palette to mix my oil and the foundation. I will tell you the reason. For my oil, I'm using Indulgio Essentials Rose Gold Oil. So amazing facial oil. You should try this. Like seriously, you should try this. Just 2 to 3 drops. I mixed up foundation in the oil. I was talking that why should we mix the oil and the foundation. The moisturizer before the base doesn't actually come over that dryness, so I usually mix these oils to my foundation because I don't want that my face should look cakey. Applying very thin layer of the foundation because मैं ऐसा नहीं चाहती कि मेरे फेस पर लगे. इतना सारा थोप लिया है इस लड़की ने. So in the simple words, just ignore my Hindi because I don't know how to speak Hindi. I know how to speak Punjabi, so I can't explain in Punjabi. So अगर हम ब्रश यूज़ करते हैं तो उसके जो ब्रिसल्स होते हैं ना, हम जब अप्लाई करते हैं फाउंडेशन तो ब्रिसल्स के निशान आ जाते हैं. So to diffuse that, we always have to use this beauty blender. हम शुरू से भी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट प्रोडक्ट दैट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एब्जॉर्ब्स सक्स. Like seriously, in my opinion, always try to use first brush, like it will give you more coverage, and then beauty blender से blend कर दो. And one more thing, ये extra product जो भी आपके face पर होगा वो भी remove कर देगा. Now it is time for using the concealer, and I'm using my favorite Tarte Shape Tip in the shade Light Medium. Remember that try to use this as quick as possible because ये इतनी जल्दी dry हो जाता है ना. मतलब ये मुझे भी नहीं पसंद पर्सनली, बट लाइक ओके, बट द रिजल्ट इट गिव्स इज ऑसम। एक एक करके, क्योंकि ये जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है। कैन यू सी द कवरेज दैट इट गिव्स? Done with concealing my face, and for setting my base I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light medium. Yeah, light medium. For dusting off my powder instantly because I don't want my face should look heavy while dancing or celebrating the events. There will be more sweat, and to avoid that, MAC Studio Fix, and I'm in the shade NC35. Just taking the same brush and will apply on all over my face. Done with setting my base. Now we are going with the subtle look, and I want subtle bronzer. Hoola Benefit just gives little bit bronzing look. For my blush, I'm using this Maybelline New York Master Blush Palette. I'm using this peachy shade, coral peachy shade. Apply on the apple of the cheeks and don't do this. So always apply just above the bronzer. Going back to my eyes, for my waterline I'm using this. This is the Forever 52 eye kohl in the number F517. Because we are going with a very subtle look, then there should be one highlighted point on your face कि जिससे मतलब आपका face और अच्छा लगे. This is the beautiful royal blue color. Let's apply on our waterline. For blending this kohl in my eye, and I'm using this blue shade. This is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. See how this blue color changes my look, and this is complementing very nicely. Be back after applying the lashes. Done with the lashes. Now it is time for the lips, and for lining up my lips I am using this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie in the shade Pillow Fight. Going with my natural lip shape. According to my outfit, I want to go with a beautiful pink nude shade, and this is by Masaba by Nykaa, shade Roar. It's so creamy and it glides on your lips so easily. And for giving more glam to my look, I'm using this Forever 52 Professional Highlighter Palette. We are done with our makeup, like a fully subtle glowy makeup, and after doing my hair I will be right back. So guys, this is my final look, and I hope you all love this look. Like this is very subtle and glowy look, and I rarely wear these type of clothes, traditional clothes, but in this Navratri I just decided that I should wear these type of clothes. For that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it. And one more thing, the products that I am using, the link will be in my description box. Please go check it out, and until then, bye.